Want to explain what we're doing?
Shopping.
For?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I'm sleeping.
We're shopping for our camping trip. We're headed camping. And we need supplies.
Yeah.
So we are doing that now. I can't see my face, I don't even know if it's on my face.
Slice jalapenos.
We're making tacos tonight at the camping
What are walking tacos?
site. Kind of like taco salad. Wait, we are making walking tacos? Or taco salads like in the boats?
Hey girls, if you want chili, you want chili dogs, raise your hand.
I don't like beans.
So Desiree says chili dogs.
No, chili dogs. Sometimes chili has beans in it.
I seriously hate chili dogs.
Chili dogs are delicious. They're
really
delicious,
like
but
Right, let's not go too
let's not
far.
go too far, Nene. Chili dogs are delicious, but we don't want them right now, do we?
Nope.
All right, so we do taco seasoning.
We should get all the stuff from Ortega.
We don't have hot dogs. Put the
I know what
taco
I'm
meat. She can put the taco meat on the hot dog.
Yep.
We're in Kentucky. We're getting ready to camp our family reunion. My
We have
eyes
5
are
more
already itching,
hours.
so the allergies are gonna kill me.
Oh, we also need to get allergy pills too, right?
Should we get 3 seasonings? Are we gonna get 2 pounds of meat?
Probably.
So I'll get 3
know
seasoning
why
mixes.
they
We always
do
need
it.
more seasonings. Well, this is our cart right now.
There we
I grabbed them.
I do a little parade.
Hey, Nene, can you dance?
Are you recording?
What?
Oh yeah, you are. Oh, wait, yeah, you are.
What was this dance?
It looks like Bug Bunny's trying.
What the heck? Give the camera a kiss. Hug. Should I have a cheeseburger?
It's probably so sweet.
Oh, we didn't get creamer and stuff, did we?
Can I have it?
Stop!
I told you I got the Starbucks thing.
Can you do a flip?
That's it.
Can you whip? Can you dab? Can you pop it up and stab? Can you set you up? Leg up, leg down.
I feel like I don't want to buy stuff.
Hold up, watch me. Hold the camera. I'll hold the camera. Guys, I'm in. And her phone. This one. This one. What's your password? Alright, watch. Here, I'm gonna take a video of this on her phone too. Here's her phone, guys. Okay. Stop videoing this. Your password's easy, Desiree. What's my password? Desiree, look at me. No, keep on looking. I know you're like zooming in on my face. No, I'm not.
And you might want to get up. You are too long to be down there. Zoom in on these ashy ankles.
God. You don't look.
Alright, so we're going for the frozen pastry aisle and
Some more stuff. Let's just head down that way. Oh, and the box of Kleenexes. That was up front.
no, over there.
We need Kleenexes because I have allergies. Nene has allergies.
By the kids and
I've been
need-
sick for 2 months.
I have to have allergy pills.
Yeah.
What does it?
A marshmallow debate. Look how big these
I know.
suckers.
Mama has these
These are
and
so big.
yeah, you only need one.
We wouldn't even get through all those, and everybody always has marshmallows down there anyway.
Dang it.
Yeah, we don't need those big.
Alright, did you guys get anything when you're over there? Or did you just follow us?
We got cherry Coke, and then you turned, so I'm like, "What are you doing, Rika?"
Move out my way, Ken.
We're in search of allergy medicine because somebody forgot their allergy medicine. I wonder who. I have allergies too. And I remember mine.
Remember your allergies?
I remember my allergy medicine. But literally, we haven't really been outside in Kentucky. And I already feel the different allergy symptoms coming on.
Climate's
Not good. The grass and all the pollen is attacking already. My lips are dry. It's just bad. Bad, bad, bad. It just sucks when you have to go to Walmart, a new Walmart that you don't know where everything is. For the most part, a lot of stuff is the same, but
Yeah.
usually what you need is in a different place. Here's the medicine. Which ones are the clear ones? Or the glow in the dark?
The whitish ones.
Oh. They're in fidget heaven.
Yeah, these ones are better than and this is how I spit it. Where's the turquoise one that is there? Oh, those are all sold out. So pretty.
Here's the finished cart.
What?
What'd you say?
Can we go to the game room while you guys are checking out?
How about you guys check out and we go to the game room?
That's not fair.
You gotta get scanned, girl. You put a ticket on your head. I have no idea where we want to camp.
I know. Well, I don't want to go too close to the porta potties.
I know. We got our tent up, yay. We're sleeping on these blow up things.
Like this.
The girls
We're sleeping on pool float.
built.
Yeah.
Saw it on Pinterest. They were portable to pack. And now we're racing the lights, so we got to get things up and going.
I love it.
I'm trying to get this set up. That's a plug-in out here.
Woo! Right. You got the handy dandy. Hello, how are you?
Pretty good. I told you I surfaced the picture.
Who's this little one? I know, we saw the baby, we didn't see her.
Say hi. Say my.
Look at her. Here's more seasoning.
Okay, good. How are you? What you been up to?
I'm good. What are you? This world traveler. World traveler Bray. We got some. What is he trying to see? Oh, the string. We got the RV. Nice. This is nice. Round.
I love you.
I love you.
Look, she trying to see that. Dang, it wasn't mine when you said there's a TV. This is a big TV. Yes. No. Is it right here? Right here? Let's see. Oh, nice. It's big. Spacious. Got the bedroom. Nice. Cozy. Lots of storage.
Yep.
The thermostat.
See the bathroom over
Oh,
there?
there's more storage. Is that a bed? It's supposed to be beds right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Both of them. Probably 2 could get at the top, 2 at the bottom.
Those are big beds. Yeah.
So,
Are you sleeping on the couch, Bray?
I am, yeah.
Is it a pull-out couch?
Yep.
Oh, so another bed.
Bridge, she can do. Oh, you're not gonna sleep in?
On the beds.
It don't matter.
You can sleep in the
that
bed.
bottom bunk.
1, 2.
Oh, Randy's got. I mean, that
1,
stuff can be
2.
moved up there. Okay.
Cute little shower.
You can do it. Yes, you can.
And sink. Eva say glamping. Say glamping. Glamping.
Oh, Miss Ida Bird. Ooh. Camper warming gifts.
I know the little
Lady, you.
get her sleeping.
Beautiful surprise by India already.
Good night. Huh?
I got 102.
102.
102.
102 and they still playing.
102 in the morning.
102 in the morning. Really?
Yeah.
I'll play with you. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna have to. Should we go
I have
to bed?
3 more hours to stay up.
I'm gonna have to die.
Not yet, but it's getting closer.
Oh God!
Are you sleepy? I know
No,
you-
I'm not.
I'm like getting a free ride from me. I'm hyper now that I ate marshmallows.
Watch where you guys are running. So yeah, we may beat them to bed tonight.
When it started,
They still trying to party.
I think got one back there.
Oh shoot! Don't seem like you got the right one.
Sting. Man, that was the worst.
Bet you got the right one. Then I didn't because I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, don't take much. Learn the lesson.
Right from then on out.
Sometimes they have the little nicks on them. That's what I would hate. They have like a little raised bump. Ooh.
But y'all said you never got the switch though, right?
Yeah, man.
Never got any whooping?
What?
Dang. I remember really goes Tiffany's face like. Did you get a whooping? You did? I remember one time I was getting a spanking. I was trying to play the guilt trip on my mom. I was like, "You beat me like a slave," and she was like, "You beat me like a slave." It didn't work, but yeah, that's one whooping I remember.
Then she should have said, now I'll show you a slave.
Right.
I'll tie you to the tree.
Oh shoot!
That would have been. Now that
Yeah.
would have been a lesson.
I thought I was being smart.
Yeah.
I was little too. I was young.
Break one. I can't believe I did that.
Oh shoot!
Something I appreciate my whoopings though.
It is 3:30 a.m. Lights out in this tent.